engineer for a while.
The pigs eat you did, Dill. Hush. What do we do today?
Thomas, Sam, and Dick. Go to the front.
I'm tired of those. Make us up one, Jen.
I'm tired of making them up.
I can smell death. I mean it.
You mean when someone's dying, you can smell it?
No, I mean I can smell somebody and tell when they're gonna die. Jean, Louise, Finch, you're gonna die in 3 days.
Dill, if you don't hush up, I'm gonna knock you bow-legged. I mean it.
Y'all hush.
Don't believe a word he says. California says it's tiger talk.
Well, are we gonna play or not?
Let's roll in the tire.
You know I'm too big for that.
You can push.
Go for it.